In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make pretty Trello boards. Trello is already a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and projects, but personalizing your board can make navigating through your tasks a more enjoyable experience. Let's dive into the steps you can take to create visually pleasing Trello boards that motivate and inspire. First, let's start by heading to your desired Trello board. Simply open your board and get ready to bring some flair into your workspace. You'll notice a series of 3 dots located at the upper right corner of your board. This is where the customization journey begins. Click on these 3 dots to open up more options. Once you've done this, look for the change background option. Click on it and you'll be presented with several choices for backgrounds. You'll see options for colors, photos, and even the ability to upload your own custom images. For this demonstration, let's start by selecting photos. Here you'll find a variety of beautiful images that can serve as the backdrop to your Trello workspace. Take your time to browse through the selection and choose a photo that speaks to you. If a photo background isn't quite your style or you want a simple, clean aesthetic, you can click on Colors. This option allows you to choose from a selection of vibrant, solid colors. Go ahead and pick one that complements your vibe or enhances your focus. Feeling creative? You can opt to upload your own custom image by clicking on Custom. This feature is fantastic for adding personal touches or branding elements to your board. Simply upload a photo from your device and watch as your board is transformed. Once you've personalized the background to your liking, you can close the menu by clicking the X at the top right corner, which will give you a full view of your newly designed board. The next step is to add some color to your list titles. Click the 3 dots next to your list name to bring up a color selection menu. This allows you to select a specific color for each list, helping to differentiate them and make your board not only pretty but also practical to navigate. Don't forget to add color to all your lists for a consistent look. Now, let's add some flair to individual cards. Click on a card to open it and select the cover option. Here you can select a color or a photo to use as the cover or upload a custom image. You even have the flexibility to adjust the size of the cover to fit your needs. And finally, let's add some stickers to your cards. Go back to those 3 dots in the upper right corner and select stickers. Drag and drop your chosen sticker onto any card for that final touch of personality and organization. By following these steps, you'll craft a Trello board that's not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing and uniquely yours. Enjoy organizing your projects with style and flair.